Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to see hours played on PS4. Well, unlike the PlayStation 5, the PlayStation 4 does not have a dedicated, easy-to-find games tab that lists the total number of hours played for every title. However, you can still find this information through a few alternative methods, and the first is going to be by checking inside the save game data. The first thing you want to do is simply launch the game you want to check, load game, or continue from the games menu and look at the details. If it doesn't show it, then you can simply go ahead and check weekly PlayStation newsletter. Sony periodically sends out email containing statistics about your weekly gameplay, such as your email inbox for PlayStation Network or weekly email. The final thing you can do is by simply checking it through the system storage. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings. And once you've opened your settings, you want to simply go ahead and look for application saved data management. And once you're here, all you need to do is simply go to saved data in system storage. And finally, you can tap on upload to online storage or USB device, and it will simply go ahead and show you all the information. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.